So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that define a function g and to r such that g of x is this. We have to find the sum of last four digit in decimal representation of g of 2023. So if you put x is equal to 2023 in this expression, then we have to tell the sum of last four digit in the decimal representation of this expression. So let's see how we can solve this. So there is a trick in this problem. So like you see, we can represent this 2 raised to power x plus 1 as this. Like 4 power x plus 2 power x plus 1 plus 1. So it will become like 2 power x plus 1 whole square. And after taking square root, you can write in this way. Now, what you can also do here, if you take just this expression, then you can also write this in this form, like 4 raised to power x plus 1 plus 2 raised to power x plus 2 plus 1. So this will become like uh, 2 raised to power x plus 1 plus 1 whole square. So after taking square root, this will become like this. So if you can replace this 2 raised to power x plus 1 by this quantity. And similarly, you can do uh, write in this in like this square root form. You can again write this. So this is a recursion, so this will happen and happen. You can do this recursion infinitely, and if you do that recursion repeatedly, then you get this form like this. First we get 4 raised to power x, then you can see that here is a square root, and inside that we get this 4 raised to power x plus 1. And if you write this in this 4 raised to power x plus 1 plus 2 raised to power something that form, then you can see we get similarly this expression. So you can expand that, and if you expand that, it will come like this. So this whole expression is simply is equal to 2 raised to power x plus 1. Like we started from here and we converted this expression into this form, and this form is equal to like 2 raised to power x plus 1. So now the our expression is simple. We have to just put instead of x like 23 in this expression. So it will come like z2023 is similarly 2 power 2023 plus 1. So you can write in this way, and if you can easily calculate the last four digit of this. So if you calculate 2 power 23, it will come like 8388608. So it will come like this. And here is a decimal point, so it will come like this. And if you multiply this by 2 power 2000, then the last four digit will remain like this, 8608. And if you add 1 to this, then it will become like 8609. And if you do sum, then it will become like 23. So this is our final answer. The sum of last four digit is 23. So in this way we can solve this. So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that define a function g and to r such that g of x is equal to this expression, root of 4 raised to power x plus root of 4 raised to power x plus 1 plus root of 4 raised to power x plus 2, and this will happen infinitely. Then we have to find the sum of last four digit in the decimal representation of g of 2023. So if you replace x by 2023, then you get some number. So what are the last four digit? Uh, some you want to tell this in problem. So let's see how we can solve this. So you just see there is one trick, like if I have 2 raised to power x plus 1, then I can write in this way, like root of 4 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x plus 1 plus 1. So it will become like 2 raised to power x plus 1 whole square and square root of that, and it will come like this. So you can just represent 2 raised to power x plus 1 in this form, and here again you have 2 raised to power x plus 1 plus 1. So you can again represent this in this square root form, like 4 raised to power x plus 1 plus 2 raised to power x plus 2 plus 1. So what you can do, you can replace this by this. So after replacing, it will come like this. Then again you have this. Then again you can replace this by this root expression, so it will come like this. So it will happen repeatedly, infinitely, and you can do this thing again and again, and eventually you get this form. Like you can see here, 4 raised to power x, then root of 4 raised to power x plus 1, then again root of 4 raised to power x plus 2. So similarly, we are also getting here this form. So you can see this form is equal to actually 2 raised to power x plus 1. So this is the simplification of this form. So now you simplified that form to this form. Now just you want to calculate 2023 value, g of 2023. So you can simply replace x by 2023, then it will become like this. And you have to just calculate the last four digit of this and want to do the sum. So if you calculate the last four digit of this number, it will come like 8609, and if you do the sum, then simply it will become like the 23. So in this way we can solve this.